According to ancient legend, one day an Aztec princess was left alone by her beloved husband, who had to go and fight in the war. Before leaving, he gave her the keys to his precious treasure he had been hiding for years. The enemies soon captured the princess and found the key. Unable to reveal her secret, they brutally murdered her, and her ill-fated love thus became immortal, as a drop of her blood gave birth to the coca tree, whose seeds are as bitter as suffering and as strong as determination of a woman in love. Christopher Columbus' encounter with chocolate was last dated in 1502. The chocolate road from Spain to Italy soon reached the dominion of Sicily. Thus the influence of chocolate in Sicily. What a beautiful story about chocolate in Sicily. It's amazing when you look for things what you find. See you in my next encounter. Bye.